Today we have to discuss the topic conics in two-dimensional analytical geometry. What is conics? A locus of a point which moves in a plane so that the distance from the fixed point bears the constant ratio to its distance from the fixed straight line. This is the fixed straight line. So is called a conic, right? This is the fixed point is called focus, and the fixed straight line. This is the fixed straight line is called directrix. This is the constant distance. This is constant. This is the distance. This is the distance. So this distance ratio is called eccentricity. Eccentricity. For example, this is F and this is P. This is M. So the eccentricity is equal to Fp by Pm is equal to E. E is denoted as eccentricity. Okay, right. Here we have to differ by the eccentricity E equal to 1. The value of the eccentricity E equal to 1. The conic is a parabola. The conic is a parabola, and E equal to E less than 1. The conic is an ellipse, and E greater than 1. The conic is a hyperbola. First of all, we have to see the eccentricity E equal to 1 is a parabola, and another E less than 1, E greater than 1 are discussed later. If E equal to 1, the conic is a parabola. What is the nature of the parabola? There are 4 types of the parabola. This parabola is open rightward. Here this is focus and this is vertex. The distance between the vertex and the focus is A. This is very, very important concept. The distance between the vertex and the focus is A, and the distance between the vertex and the directrix, this is the directrix, is also A. The focus point is A comma 0, and this point is D minus A comma 0. This is very, very important. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is called the vertex. The parabola and the axis are meet in the vertex. This point is vertex. Okay, right. Here the vertex is origin, so B 0 comma 0. This parabola is open rightward. Open rightward. We have a formula. What is the formula? In general form, open rightward, y minus k the whole square is equal to 4a x minus h. Right? Here the vertex is 0. Here vertex 0 comma 0. Let us take h comma k. Here y minus the value k is 0 whole square is equal to 4a x minus 0. Therefore, y minus 0 is y squared is equal to 4ax. This is the parabola open rightward formula. Y square is equal to 4ax. Suppose the vertex is shifting to the origin. This is the general form of the parabola. Suppose the vertex is 1 comma 2. We have to use this is h comma k. This is h comma k. Let us take the x coordinate is h, the y coordinate is k, right? And another one type is that we have another 3 formula. This is open leftwards, open leftwards. The equation is y minus k the whole square is equal to minus 4ax minus h. This is the leftward formula, and we want to find a upward formula. This is upward. all distance are same. Here vertex and focus is A. Here also this is vertex and this is focus. The distance is A. This is the directrix and this is the directrix. This distance is A. So the equation of the directrix is x is equal to A. And this one is, this distance is A. And the equation of the directrix is y is equal to A. Because this is the parallel to x-axis line. So y equal to A. Open, upward. This is open, upward. This formula can be written as x minus h the whole squared is equal to 4a y minus k. These formulas are very very important. It will be used as the sum. Okay, right. And one more formula and one more type. This is downward. Here vertex and this is focus. In the chord passes through the focus is called latus rectum. Each parabola having latus rectum. It passes the focus. So this is known as equation of latus rectum. Here y equal to A. This distance is y distance. So this is parallel to x-axis. So y equal to A and here y equal to minus A. This is y equal to minus A. And this is F, focus, vertex, this is the latus rectum, this is downward. So equation of directrix is y equal to A and latus rectum, this line is latus rectum, y equal to minus A, right? This is open downwards, open downwards. The formula can be written as x minus h the whole square equal to minus 4a y minus k, right? These are the four types of the parabola. If you had any doubt, the table in our book, so refer the book. Okay. 5.14, find the equation of the parabola with focus minus root 2 comma 0 and the directrix x equal to root 2. First of all, we have to draw the diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And focus is minus root 2 comma 0. This is origin. Minus root 2 means minus 1.414 comma 0. This is the value. Minus 414. Here we have to take minus 1.414. So here we want to take minus 1.414. This is x-axis. Okay, and the distance is y-axis is 0 and the distance is root 2. So this is focus. Minus root 2 comma 0. This is called focus F. And the directrix is x equal to root 2. Here x equal to root 2 means x equal to root 2. Therefore x equal to 1.414. Focus F minus root 2 comma 0 and directrix. Focus directrix x equal to root 2. Here the same distance, root 2 distance, we have to draw a line. This is the directrix, x equal to root 2. Therefore the diagram must be minus root 2 here focus and here x equal to the root 2 distance. These are same distance. So this is the vertex because the vertex and focus and vertex and directrix are same distance. Therefore this is the vertex. But the diagram must be open leftward because it will be focused to the F, to the value F. Okay. So the equation must be y minus k the whole square is equal to minus 4a x minus h, minus 4a x minus h. This is the formula for parabola open leftward. Equation of parabola open leftward. Open leftward is y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a x minus h. Here the vertex is 0, 0. Therefore vertex 0, 0. Because this is h, k. Here y minus 0 the whole squared is equal to minus 4a x minus 0. Therefore y squared is equal to minus 4. Here we want to find the value of a. This is vertex 0, 0 and vertex focus distance is called a. The a must be root 2 because the distance is here 0, 0 and this is minus root 2. We have to take only the positive value. This is root 2. So VF distance is root 2. Here 4 into root 2 into x. Therefore the equation is y square equal to minus 4 root 2 x. This is the required equation of the parabola. Refer the sum 5.15. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 5, minus 2 and focus is 2, minus 2. First of all we have to draw the diagram. This is x axis and this is y axis. Here we want to plot the vertex 5, minus 2. This is origin. X axis distance as 5 and y axis distance as minus 2. This is minus 2. So the point is 5, minus 2 which is called the vertex. Right? V 5, minus 2. And the focus 2, minus 2. This must be 2. X axis distance 2 and the y axis distance is minus 2. So this is the focus 2, minus 2. Therefore the diagram must be open leftward because it will be focused to the point F. Okay. So the distance between V and F, this is V and F, is called A. VF equal to A. Here the distance A equal to, this is 5 and this is 2. Subtract these two distance. Both are same. Here minus 2 same. We have to find the x distance only. Here x distance is 5 in V and F is 2. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This is the value of A. Solution. Given values are vertex 5, minus 2 and focus 2, minus 2 and VF equal to A equal to 3. The parabola open leftwards. So the formula must be y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a x minus h. The vertex is h, k and we have to apply here y plus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 4, a value is 3 into x minus the h value is equal to 5. We want to expand this value y square plus 4 plus 4y and is equal to, this is minus 12. Minus 12 multiply inside minus 12x plus minus 12 into plus minus plus 12 5 60. So we have to write this to that side, y squared plus 12x and plus 4y and minus 56 is equal to 0 because 60 minus, here the 60 will come minus 60 and plus 4 is minus 56. This is the required equation of the parabola. Refer the sum. An example 5.16. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex minus 1, minus 2, axis parallel to y axis and passing through 3, 6. Here first of all we have to draw the diagram. This is x and y axis. Here vertex minus 1, minus 2. This is origin. We want to find the vertex. X axis is minus 1. Here minus 1 and the y-axis is minus 2. So we have to take, this is vertex minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, so the axis parallel to y-axis. This diagram is parallel to y-axis. This must be here. This diagram goes to this side because the parabola passes through maybe 3 comma 6 here, 3 comma 6, not come to this side, downwards is also parallel to y-axis, but the 3 comma 6 not passing to the parabola, it will be goes this side like that, this type, but this is not passing through 3 comma 6, that's why we have to take the upward parabola only. So given concept is vertex minus 1 comma minus 2, this is h comma k, and the equation open parabola, equation of a parabola open upward, equation of the parabola open upward. We have a formula. This is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a y minus k. Here we have to apply the vertex h comma k. X plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4a y, the k value is minus 2, so plus 2 here. So this is equation 1, and we want to find the a value. This parabola passes through 3 comma 6, so we have to write it passes 3 comma 6, this is x and y. Apply in equation 1, this point apply in equation 1. X is 3, so 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4a into y means 6, 6 plus 2, here 3 plus 1 4, 4 square 16, which is equal to 4a, 6 into 2 8, 6 plus 2, sorry 6 plus 2 8. Now this is 16 by 4, take 4 to this side, 16 by 4 equal to 8a. So the answer is here 4, but 4 by, take 8 to downward, 4 by 8 equal to a. Therefore the a value is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. And we want to apply the a value in equation 1. What is the value here? X plus 1 the whole square equal to 4 into 1 by 2. A value is 1 by 2 and y plus 2. We have to cancel these two terms. This is 2 here. Expand this one, x squared plus 1 plus 2x, a plus b whole square, and which is equal to here 2. Multiply 2 to inside, 2y plus 4. Therefore, we have to write in the proper format x squared plus here 2x, and take to this term to LHS side minus 2y, and this is 4, come to this side minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the parabola. Refer the sum. Vertex, focus, directrix and length of latus rectum of the parabola x square minus 4x minus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the example 5.1 sum. This is very important 5 mark. First of all, we have to take the parabola equation x square minus 4x minus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Let us take the x terms in LHS side and another terms are RHS side. X square minus 4x is equal to minus 5y plus 5y minus 1 plus 1. Okay, right. And x square minus 4x, we want to add the term. Here the coefficient of x is 4 and we want to divide by 2. The coefficient of x is 4 and we divide by 2. which is the answer is 2. Here you want to add the square term of this factor, because we want to write the formula for a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. What we do? The coefficient of x must be divided by here 4 divided by 2. This is the answer is 2. And another, we want to square immediately. 2 square is 4. This term only added here, plus 4 and minus 4. This is very important concept. The coefficient of x, we have to take the coefficient of x 4 and divided by 2. The answer is 2. And again we will square 2 square. The term is 4. Okay. So we have to add 4 and minus 4, which is equal to 5y plus 1. Now this term can be written as x minus 2 the whole square, because x square plus 4 minus 4x, and this minus 4 go to this side, 5y here 1 and minus 4 go to this side plus 4. The answer is here 5. And this is x minus 2 the whole square is equal to, take 5 outside, 5 into y plus 1. So this is the shifting origin form. Shifting the origin form, here the vertex is, this is the form of x minus h whole square 4a y minus k. Here vertex v is h comma k, which is equal to vertex v. The h value is what? 2. And the k value is minus 1, because here plus 1. So the k value is minus 1. This is known as vertex. And we want to find the focus. Focus F. Here the diagram we want to draw. The parabola is open upward, because this is a format x square equal to 4a y format. Here 4a equal to 5, therefore a equal to 5 by 4. And this is the form of x square equal to 4a y. So the parabola open upwards. The parabola open upwards, right? And we want to draw in upward. The upward means this is parallel to y-axis. This diagram must be this side and downward. This is upward and this is downward. It will be parallel to y-axis only. So we have to find the focus. This is y-axis. So we can write here 0 plus k, because this is y-axis term. So the x distance is h only, because this we have to add a constant 0, comma in y distance. The y distance may be changed, so that's why we have to, this is h comma k. In this value is 0, because x is the standard distance. If suppose this diagram is from this side, x is the same distance here. So the formula is 0 plus h comma k plus a, because the distance added to a or downward to a. Here this is upward parabola, so we have to add the value a, which is equal to, here the h value is what? We focus is 2, or otherwise you can write here directly. This is the parabola open upwards, so this is the y distance, so we have to write the x distance directly, x value directly, and we want to find the k plus a value. What is the k plus a value? K is, here k is minus 1, plus the value of a is 5 by 4. So minus 4 plus 5 means 1 by 4. So the k plus value, k plus a value is 1 by 4. Or memorize the formula, focus f 0 plus h comma k plus a. This will be very important. these formulas are given in the book by a table. Okay, right. And we want to the directrix. The directrix equation is y equal to k minus a, because this is the y-axis parabola parallel to y-axis. This parabola open upward parallel to y-axis. Right? So how to know y-axis? This is a x square equal to 4a y form. This must be parallel to y-axis because h comma k value is not 0, not passes origin. Okay, right. So y is equal to the formula given in the book, y is equal to k minus a, directrix. Now implies y equal to the k value is what here. This is h comma k. The k value is -1 and minus the a value is 5/4, which is equal to -4 minus 5 minus 9/4. Therefore y equal to -9/4, or we can write cross multiply to the 4 here, 4y equal to -9. Therefore the equation must be 4y plus 9 equal to 0. This directrix value is wrong in our book, so refer this one. This is the correct answer. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. We want to draw a correct diagram. This is origin and we want to mark the vertex. Here v equal to 2 comma -1. X-axis distance is 2 and y-axis distance is here -1. So this is vertex. And focus 2 comma 1/4. X-axis is 2 and the y-axis distance is 1/4. 1/4 is here. So we have to, because this is focus and this is vertex, the diagram must be upward to focus F. This is parabola open upward. This distance is vertex to focus. Vertex is 2 comma -1 and the focus is 2 comma 1/4. 2 comma 1/4. 1/4. And we want to draw the directrix. Y is equal to -9/4. Y is equal to -9/4 means what? So minus 2 point something. The value is minus 2 times 4 8. So 2.25, right? So 2.25 value is, this is minus 2 -1 and minus 2.25 here. This is -2, so minus 2.25 here. This is the directrix equation and we want to join. Draw the line. This is y-axis, this is vertex. We have to draw through the vertex, is called a capital y-axis, and draw the line vertex horizontally. This is capital x-axis. So this must be -1. This value must be -1. Okay, right. This is the diagram. If you had any doubt to draw this diagram, you can rewind the video. You have to draw very slowly. Okay, right. And one more thing is the length of latus rectum. We have a formula, length of latus rectum equal to 4a, which is equal to 4 into the a value is 5/4 here. Cancel these 4 equal to 5, which is the length of latus rectum. Refer the sum. Thank you.